Hey guys, today I'm just gonna video on cleaning up the headlights on the Focus. I've already started, and this was kind of the before, okay, and this is after just going over it really quick with some 180. Headphones in the way. So I got some 180, I got some 1000, some more 1000, 6, 100, 320, some alcohol, some towels, some warm water, I would make like a time lapse thing, but I don't know how to do that. But you know, you see it's kind of already starting to look good. You can see all the stuff. Okay, so I've moved on to the 320. That's kind of how it looks. It's very white, very cloudy looking. And there's the other side, very yellow, yucky looking. So it looks, as you sand on it, it looks worse and worse, but you just gotta kind of trust the process. Because at the end I'll spray some just regular clear coat from Walmart, and it'll look really good. To kind of see how it'll look, this is kind of what I did on here. This light here, it's a little cloudy, and here it's a little cloudy. But this is how it looks after about like a year and a half or so. So it does hold up, but it makes it look a lot better. Okay, so you want to go over it like with 600 until you start to see this like milky white powder instead of like the yellow or like cream color almost. You want to kind of go to where you see the white, because that's kind of like the plastic. You want to get down to the plastic. And so now I'm going to go and I'm going to switch to the 1000, and I'll just do that. Turn off. Okay, so this is after the 1000. You can already tell it already looks a lot better because you can actually see the light bulb in the back there. So I'll just do this side, and then I'll just put some newspaper around it, tape it off, and I'll get the clear coat and spray that. Okay, so here's basically the spray I have. Just regular spray. Basically, you may just kind of spray it on. You might have to do another coat, and depending on how it looks after the second, maybe even the third coat, I'll probably just maybe go over it with some 1000 really lightly again, but I just gotta let this dry, and I'll go ahead and start on the other side. Okay, so I got both coats on, here. In the morning, I'll go and lightly go over it with 1000 and clean that up. And I got the first coat on here. This headlight's just a little goofy, so it might not look the best, but I'll go and here in a minute do a second coat, and I'll sand this in the morning too, after it dries a little bit. Okay, so here's the finished product. I went back over it, sanded it, and then I put just one light coat. This one I forgot to wipe it off, so it does have a little bit of dirt left in it, but it's not hurting anything. It'll be fine. And this Sides, pretty good. And just one light coat, and that's all it is.